This is how to make a custom brush in Photoshop. First thing you need is a photo in which you want to make a brush out of. So this is a tree that I took in Moab. I'm going to use it for a project having to do with nature. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get a regular brush, a soft round brush or a hard round, because you might have to make adjustments to this. So what you want to do is in the new Photoshop, you can automatically remove the background using a mask. So go ahead and do that. And then I'm just going to clean up the bottom of this because it pulled a little bit of the shadow in. So that's what we're going to do first. Then what we want to do is we're going to create a custom brush from this. Brushes can only be made out of black and white images. So once we have this sort of the way we want it with the bottom on it, then I'm going to go ahead and I am going to turn this into a black and white image. Now to do that, I have to go back and click on the image, not the mask. I'm going to go up to image and then I'm going to change the mode to grayscale. Once I have that changed to grayscale, then what I want to do is I'm going to just select the outside of this particular brush. And I don't have to be that careful with it. Make sure, again, you're not in the mask layer inside of, or excuse me, you're not in the mask inside the layer. Go ahead and just very carefully draw around it. You don't really have to be very careful with this. You do want to make sure that you get all the pieces of the brush that you want. But basically what you want to do is you just want to draw around the whole project. Then once you have the whole thing selected, then what you want to do is go up to the edit menu and go down to define brush preset. Since it's already black and white, we don't have to do that again. So what we want to do is just title it whatever we want to title this brush. Go ahead and hit OK. And then we'll have some brush properties. Now this is the brush properties window. It's accessed over on the right hand side in the middle if you're in Essentials Classic. What you want to do is you want to then try out your brush. I'm just going to get a new document that's 8.5 by 11 at 300 dpi just so that everybody can see what this looks like. I did have a large image when I started. I'm just going to choose any color and there it is. There's your custom brush. There are some brush presets off to the side that you can go ahead and affect. Notice that the spacing is pretty close together. You can change your spacing and you can change some other things inside of this to just do a little bit of affecting to it. But other than that, that's how you make a custom brush inside of Photoshop. Good luck. Now you can make any brush that you want. Snow, water, any nature item, clouds, whatever it is. But sky's the limit. It's your creativity. Okay? Good luck.